Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hello everybody. I'm PS Chatterjee with you. It's commentary on IS-456-2000 clause 5.7 and based on storage of material IS-4082-1996. This is part 6. Structural design only. A channel with different vision. Once again, today I have 4 questions for my regular viewer. What do you want to know from me? I can demonstrate you how you can develop your own Excel sheet for structural elements. I can make general discussion on civil engineering related topic as much as I know. Should I continue the beam analysis for partial load in Excel? I can demonstrate you how to operate StatPro V8i efficiently in near future. Problem of demonstrating StatPro V8i are as follows. Legal problem, required original software, require good quality computer. As a result of this, I need lots of money to invest. Now you are my teacher. Please write in the comments what do you want to know. I need only 100 dedicated viewers. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. If you are watching my video first time, before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Clause 4.7 IS 4082-1996 Storage of floor, wall and roof tiles. 4.7.1 Floor, wall and clay roof tiles of different types such as cement, concrete, tile, plain, colored and terrazzo, and ceramic tile, glazed and unglazed, shall be stacked on regular platform as far as possible under cover in proper layer in tiers, and they shall not be dumped in heaps. In the stacks, the tiles shall be so placed that the module surface of one face that of another. Height of stacks shall not be more than 1 meter. During unloading, this shall be handled carefully so as to avoid breakage. 4.7.2 Tiles of different quality, size and thickness shall be stacked separately to facilitate easy removal for use in work. Tiles, when supplied by manufacturer packed in wooden carts, shall be stored in carts. The carts will be opened one at a time as and when required for use. Ceramic tiles and clay roof tiles are generally supplied in carton which shall be handled with care. It is preferable to transport this at the site on platform trolleys. 4.8.1 Aggregate shall be stored at site on a hard, dry and level patches of ground. If such a surface is not available, a platform of planks or old corrugated iron sheet or a floor of bricks or a thin layer of lean concrete shall be made so as to prevent contamination with clay, dust, vegetable and other foreign matters. Stacks of fine and coarse aggregates shall be kept in separate stock piles, sufficiently removed from each other to prevent the material at the edges of the pile from getting intermixed. On a large job, it is desirable to construct dividing wall to give each type of aggregates its own compartment. Fine aggregate shall be stacked in a place where loss due to the effect of wind is minimum. 4.8.3 Unless specified otherwise or necessitated by site condition, stacking of aggregates should be carried out in regular stacks. Clause number 4.8.3 continuation. IS 4082-1996 suggested size of stacks. 4.8.3 suggested size for stacks are as follows. Column 1 serial number, column 2 material, column 3 divided into 3 parts, the size of stacks in meter, length, breadth and height. Soling stone, first option 5 meter, length, breadth 2 meter and height half meter. Or length 5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 0.5 meter. Number 2, coarse aggregates. Length of stack may be 2 meter, breadth 2 meter and height 0.5 meter, or length 5 meter, breadth 5 meter and height 1 meter, or length 5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 1 meter. Number 3, fine aggregates. Length 2 meter, breadth 2 meter, height 0.5 meter, or length 5 meter, breadth 5 meter, height 1 meter, or length 5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 0.5 meter. Picture of soling stone, coarse aggregates and fine aggregates. These are the pictures of soling stone, coarse aggregate and fine aggregates. Clause 4.9, 4.10 and 4.11 of IS 4082-1996. 4.9. Flyers shall be stored in such a manner as to permit easy access for proper inspection and identification of each consignment. Flyers in bulk quantities shall be stored in stack similar to fine aggregate as specified in 4.8, avoiding any intrusion of foreign matter. Flyers in bags shall be stored in stack not more than 10 bags high. 4.10. Cinders shall be stored in bulk quantities in stacks similar to coarse aggregate as specified in 4.8, avoiding any extrusion of foreign matters. 4.11. Partially fabricated wall and roof components. 4.11.1. The wall component comprises blocks, seals, lintels, etc. The blocks shall be stacked as individual component by holding them near the ends. This shall be stacked on a plain level ground having floor of bricks or thin layer of lean concrete. Clause 4.11.2. 4.112. The roof components such as precast RCC joist, prefabricated brick panels, RC panels, channel unit, cord unit, waffle unit, L panel, single T and double T section, ferro cement panels, etc. shall be unloaded as individual component. The components shall be handled by holding at the specified point so that the stress due to handling are minimized. This shall be stacked on a plain level ground having a floor of bricks or a thin layer of lean concrete, RCC planks, prefabricated brick panels and ferro cement panels shall be stacked against a brick masonry wall in slightly inclined position on both sides of the wall. Channel unit, cord unit and L panels shall be stacked one over the other up to 5 tiers. The waffle unit shall be stacked upside down as individual units. The RC joint, single T and double T sections shall be stacked as individual unit on adjacent to the other. The distance between any two adjacent shall not be more than 450 mm. Clause 4.12 of IS 4082-1996 Storage of timber. 4.12 Timber shall be stored in a stack upon well-treated and even surfaced beam, sleepers or brick pillars so as to be above the ground level by at least 150 mm. The various members shall be preferably stored separately in different length, and material of equal length shall be piled together in layer with wooden battens, called crossers, separating one layer from other. The crossers shall be sound wood, straight and uniform in thickness. In case where separated cross are not available, smaller section of the available structural timber may be employed in their place. In any layer, an air space of about 25 mm shall be provided between adjacent members. The longer pieces shall be placed in the bottom layer as shorter pieces in the top layer, but one end of the stack shall be in true vertical alignment. The crossers of different layers shall be in vertical alignment. The most suitable width and height of stacks are recommended to be about 1.5 to 2 meter. Distance between adjacent stack is recommended to be at least 450 mm. A side view of such stack is shown in figure 2. In case the stacking with the help of batten is not possible, the timber may be closed while in heaps on raised foundation with precaution specified above. And this is the picture, typically typical timber stack. This is the end of commentary on IS 456-2000 Part 6. Next video will be on clause 4.13, 4.14, 4.15 storage of steel, aluminium and doors, windows and ventilators. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.